This is My Cars Shop.
Welcome back, fellow shop rats. Today we're back on a truck called Wanda. You know, because we roam around, and it's a Wanda. So I've been working my butt off on this thing because we need it on the road to haul firewood. Plus, I need something to drive because every dang thing I have has problems, and this needed to be done anyway. So we're almost done. The brakes, I got the right front one is sticking a little bit, so I ordered the hose. It's not bad, but I don't want to muck with it because it's not going to get any better. Hopefully that's all it is. Hopefully it's not in the proportioning valve. But today we're going to do some interior work. First thing I want to do is put that headliner in that we painted on our last episode. And then we're going to get some door panels and window cranks and we're got all kind of stuff. Oh, and I want to spray some sound deadening on the inside of the driver's door because it's a little tinny, as typical of this particular era. So let's get after it. I'm Mike and you're watching My Cars Shop. There we go on that one. I had an old can of rocker guard that was kind of crappy and it worked perfect to just blow in there and add a little sickness and thickness to that door. So this door is off of an 80. Well, it's got the upper trim here, so it's off of a 84 to 87. And this door over here probably is off of a newer one. I don't think it had that trim. No, it didn't. So this door is off of a 88 to 90 or 91. This fender is off of an 87 back because of the upper trim. And that fender over there is a brand new one that I got through the aftermarket. So anyway, that's what we've got. This hood, boy, I can't remember what I got that off of, but it's a nice piece. So anyway, we're going to get this all painted up eventually. But today, I just want to get this interior done. So I'm going to go back on the 92 and get the door panels off. I'm not going to take you back there. There's really not going to be much interesting, but my camera's dying, so I want to let that charge while I take 20 minutes and go pop those door panels off, and then I will share the installation with you, and we'll talk about some things. Interesting note on that red 92, that is a TBI truck, and it's one of the last years. Magnum came out in 91. Okay, the multi-point injection, but they still offered an optional TBI 318. I think they were just trying to use up old stock stuff that they had, left in inventory. And that one's one of the few that actually has the TBI. I really wish it had the overdrive transmission behind it. I don't know if they offer that, but neither here nor there. But I do know that if you put the TBI 318, which was like 180 horse, and you put a an A500 overdrive behind that. I think that was the transmission back then. Your gas mileage will go from like 10 to 18 or something like that. I'm not going to go to the effort and expense to do that on that truck at this point for what we're going to be using it for. But yeah, so anyway, that's where we're at. I'm going to go get those door panels off and then I will share the installation with you. Well, 20 minutes, 2 hours later, I finally got them off. The newer trucks don't have the same size fasteners as the older trucks. So every time I thought I knew what I was doing, I ended up having to run back up and get a different tool. The passenger's door on that truck was so bent up, I had to get a big hammer to bend it so I could get it open. But I'm going to go upstairs in the barn and get the original set off of Wanda. We'll do a comparison and make a decision on which ones we're going to use. All right, this is the original driver's door. Original passenger's door. That one's in really good shape. This one, I feel like there was a problem with it, but I don't remember. And then this one's in really good shape. This one's broken right here. So, did I waste my time taking them off? No. I guess the only way to know what's what is to take them over and hit them and clean them up super fast, the super easy way with Super Clean. Okay, so the decision is pretty obvious. These are a lot more beat up than I remembered. They're broken in places and really rough. Those are really nice. Other than that one little chunk in the corner, which it's fine. This is a farm truck. So we're going to put those on. Yeah, I guess let's just get after it. There we go on that one. Close. Just got to put the screw in here. Can't remember what's supposed to go there. Nothing, I guess. The handle, there's a screw that goes in here that I need to put on and then get the door handle on. So that one's almost done. Then we'll wipe that down good with Armor All. And apparently we've got a clip stuck right there. I better get that one out of there. I don't know how that got there. Obviously we haven't painted the inside of the door black yet, but that's fine. That won't take long to do at some point, but I want to just get this thing buttoned back up and all the parts back on it. Can pop that panel off or just mask around it when I go to do that, but that's not top priority right now. But everything's there. Needs a good brushing down some more. I washed it, but it needs a little more work, but that panel looks really nice, so I'm happy with that. So boom. Okay, let's get the other one done. And just like that, it's in. So it almost looks like a truck. Yeah, we got a lot of cleanup work to do, but the next thing I want to do now is, I really like that without that headliner in there, but I think it provides a little bit of sound deadening, so I'm going to go ahead and put that cardboard headliner back in. And yeah, well, a couple more things we're going to get done here, but we're making good progress here on Wanda. And there you go. There you go. It's all done. It looks like a truck again. Hard to believe it's that piece of crap we've been working on for so long. Yeah, it needs a lot more, but again, it's a farm truck, so we're not getting carried away, but we'll do some detailing, and we got all the satin black stuff to do and all of that. More coming on this one real soon, for sure. We're going to be doing the rest of the satin paint and a few more other things, but we are pretty much ready to put this truck on the road legally. That's going to do it for this one. I appreciate you being here. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget one more thing, because Wanda thinks it's important. Don't forget, rock!